In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your mortgage in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money does not have a dedicated mortgage tracker, but you can still track it using liabilities, transactions, and paydown goals. To start, go to the Accounts page and add your mortgage servicer, like Rocket Mortgage. If it connects successfully, Monarch will automatically sync your balance and payments. If not, you can create a manual liability account and input your starting balance. Next, when your monthly payment comes in, go to Transactions and split it into parts. Assign the principal to your mortgage account, the interest to the interest category, and escrow to categories like property tax or insurance. For better tracking, go to Goals and create a paydown goal. Select your mortgage account, enter the interest rate and term, and Monarch will show your payoff progress and projected timeline. You can also monitor your mortgage and net worth since it appears as a liability, and use reports to track interest and payment trends over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.